like an animal, yes?
Yeah.
No, you've already tried to kill me in the airport. Yeah? People are no, you know what you're fucking I don't care. You tried to kill.
Bullshit.
Murderers. Killers. There you go, look. Why is it funny to you? Why would that be funny to you that they attacked me? You just laughed. They just attacked me and you laughed. Right, so why are you doing it? Why would you do that? It's an act of terror. It's an act of terror, sir. See what I mean? They're all fucking murderers. Where did he kick me out again? 3 days ago, I was tortured in this airport. Where did they kick me out? Every single person here is a killer.